This tool is called the THINKCAR ThinkScan 689BT. It is a device that talks to your car's computer. It helps you find out what is wrong with your car, works with many different cars around the world. You plug it into the car's OBD2 port. The OBD2 port is a small hole near the driver's seat. When you plug it in, it wakes up your car's computer. It reads the car's error messages and codes. The tool shows these codes on a clear screen. Each code tells you if something isn't working right. It helps you understand why your car might have a problem. The tool can also reset these error codes. Resetting clears the error messages after fixing issues. It can perform 34 different resets on your car. It comes with free lifetime software updates. This means it always has the latest features. It uses advanced methods called DOEP and CAN-FD. These methods help it talk to modern car computers. It can even make small changes inside the car's computer. This process is known as bidirectional ECU coding. It makes diagnosing car problems much easier. It saves you time and money on repairs. It tells you exactly which part of the car needs help. Even someone with no car knowledge can learn to use it. The instructions are simple and step-by-step. It costs $434 on AliExpress. It is made by certified brands and is a genuine product. Find the link in the comments to get yours.